Look at this place!
It is perfect for our camping trip.
Are you sure this is the right way, Kai? The map says turn left. Mom! Dad! The internet is gone! My video stopped playing.
Forget the internet, Mia. Smell that fresh air. This is nature.
0 bars. No signal at all. We are completely connected. No internet? But how will I watch cartoons? This is a disaster!
Don't worry, Mia. We have something better than cartoons. We have adventure. First, we must build our castle. The tent. Watch the master at work.
Kai, this manual is very thick. Do you want me to read it?
No instructions needed. I have camping instincts. It is easy.
Mommy, why is Daddy fighting with the tent? I think the tent is winning, Mia. Kai, do you need help?
I am fine. I am just testing the fabric quality. It is very strong.
Okay, move over, Spider-Man. Let me show you how it is done. Wow! Mommy is amazing! You are faster than Daddy!
See? Teamwork. Teamwork. I loosened it up for you. Good job, everyone.
The tent is ready. But my tummy is making noises. I am hungry.
Haha! My tummy is speaking too. It says it is time for BBQ.
Kai, that is too much coal. We are cooking sausages, not a dinosaur.
Whoa! Fire is very energetic today. Don't worry, I am in control.
Daddy, please don't burn my sausage. I like it brown, not black. I think we are sending smoke signals to the whole forest, Kai.
Ta-da! Perfection! Lunch is served, my ladies.
Yummy! This is delicious.
Huh?
Daddy, you have yellow stuff on your nose. You are messy, Kai. But the food is good. Thank you.
Did you hear that? The river is calling us. Who wants to go fishing?
Me. Me? I want to catch a big shark. Do sharks live in the river? No sharks, sweetie. Maybe a small trout. Let's see if Daddy can catch anything. Daddy, you caught yourself. Are you a fish? Hold still, big fish. You are not very good at fishing. Oh, something is pulling. Help! Help! It is a monster! Pull, Mia! Pull! We are right here. Don't let go. Oh, no. It is just a shoe. Who wears shoes in the river?
This is not just a shoe. This is a pirate's boot. A treasure. Great catch, Mia.
Huh? A pirate boot. Cool. I will keep it for my collection. Okay, pirates. The sun is sleeping. We need to make a campfire before dark. Look! Floating stars. They are so beautiful. Are they fairies?
They are fireflies, Mia. Nature's flashlights. Better than a phone screen, right?
Huh. Come sit by the fire. It is time for marshmallows and stories. I love camping. I don't miss my tablet anymore.
The stars are bright, the fire is hot, and I am a camping rock star.
Daddy, please stop. You are scaring the owls.
Okay, no music. Time for a scary story. The Legend of the Hungry Sock Monster.
A sock monster? Does he eat stinky socks? That is not scary. That is funny. He is huge. And he has 5 arms. Look at his shadow. Kai, that looks like a potato with fingers. Let me show you. See? This is the bunny monster. Hop, hop, hop. Shh. What was that? Is it the sock monster? I will save you.
Lyra, you go first. Check the bush.
Oh, look! It is a killer bunny. Be careful, Kai. Hello, Mr. Bunny. Daddy thought you were a monster. Okay, excitement over. Time to sleep. Good night, Mr. Bunny.
This sleeping bag shrank. It is too small for my muscles.
It is cozy in here. Good night, Daddy. Good night, Mommy. Oh no! The tractor has started. Kai, roll over. Boop. Wake up, Daddy. You are loud.
Good morning. My back hurts. My back hurts. The ground is very hard.
Come on, Kai.
Yoga will fix your back. Do the tree pose. I am a tree, but it is very windy.
Woo woo!
Timber.
The daddy tree fell down.
I meant to do that. It is the falling log pose.
Okay, yogis, breakfast time. Who wants pancakes?
I am the Pancake Master. Watch this triple flip.
It is flying. Higher, Daddy. Higher.
I think I caught it. It is on my face.
Tastes like victory.
And glasses.
Cleanup time. We leave no trace. The forest must stay clean.
Now we explore. According to this map, the waterfall is north.
Daddy, the map is upside down. The waterfall is that way.
I knew that. I was testing you, Mia.
Good job, Navigator.
Hold still, Kai. You made a friend.
Achoo! Sorry. Butterfly tickles are dangerous.
Dangerous! Be careful. Don't fall in the water.
Whoa!
That was close. Thanks, honey. My hero. Wow! Look at the waterfall! It is so big!
Family photo. Say, no internet.
Yay!
Perfect! We will frame this one. Kai sleeping at the waterfall.
I am drawing a picture for Grandma. Look at my waterfall.
It is a masterpiece, Mia. Picasso would be jealous.
Time to head back. We have to pack up camp before dark.
Wait. Just admiring the tree. Definitely not tired.
Here, Daddy. You need water power.
Okay, Tent. You win round 1, but I will win round 2. And...
The tent wins again. Kai, are you in there?
I am fine. It is a tactical collapse. I planned this.
Roll, roll, roll. Look, Mommy, I made a sausage.
Why is the bag so small? Did it shrink in the wash?
Squish it, Daddy! Squish it like a marshmallow!
Victory! The beast is contained.
Good job, team! Leave no trace. The forest should look like we were never here.
I am the Tetris master. Everything fits perfectly. Just don't open the trunk again.
Goodbye, forest. Goodbye, river. I will miss you.
Don't be sad. We can come back. And next time, I will bring a bigger tent bag.
Everyone buckled? Ready to go back to civilization?
Ready?
But first, who wants pizza for dinner?
Pizza! Pizza! With extra cheese.
Pizza sounds great, but no phones at the dinner table, okay?
Agreed. No phones. Just us and the pizza.
I just need to check one thing. Ooh, 50 messages.
Put it away. We are still on vacation mode. On vacation mode.
You are right. The messages can wait until tomorrow.
I am sleepy. Wake me up for pizza.
Look, streetlights. We are back in the city.
Thank you for this trip, Daddy. It was perfect.
Even the pancakes on my face?
Especially the pancakes. That was the best part.
Home sweet home. Mission accomplished.
Shh. The little explorer is dreaming.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more family adventures. And don't forget to like!
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.